In this video, you'll learn how to change your Calendly link URL. By following these steps, you will successfully update your scheduling link to better reflect your brand or preferences. Begin by locating your profile icon in the top right corner of the Calendly interface. This icon typically features your initials or a profile picture. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu containing various options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled My Link. Clicking this will take you to the section where you can manage your personal scheduling link. This is where you will find the current URL slug associated with your Calendly. Once you are on the My Link page, look for the field that displays your existing Calendly URL slug. Here you can edit the slug to whatever you prefer. Remember that this slug is the part of the link that comes after the main Calendly domain. Choose something that is easy to remember and representative of you or your service. After you have made your changes to the URL slug, look for the Save button, usually located near the bottom of the editing section. Click Save to confirm your new link. This action will update your main scheduling page instantly, allowing others to access your new link right away. It is important to note that any old links will stop working after you change your URL. Be sure to communicate this change to anyone who may have previously used your old link to avoid confusion. Ensure that you share the new link with your clients and contacts promptly.